Barack Obama was born on August 4, 1961, in Hawaii, a warm island in the Pacific Ocean. His father came from Kenya, and his mother came from Kansas. When Barack was still a baby, his parents separated, and his father returned to Kenya. From the beginning, life was not simple for Barack, but he grew up with hope. Even though his father was far away, Barack kept the letters his father sent him. He didn't understand everything, but the letters made him feel loved.
His mother, Anne, was strong and wise. She taught him to study hard, ask questions, and believe in himself. His grandparents also helped raise him. They were simple, kind people who gave Barack stability and confidence. Barack often felt different because of his mixed background. He didn't fully belong to the black community or the white community, but he turned this difference into strength. Education opened the world for him. After high school, he moved to California and then New York to study political science. Life in the city was fast and difficult, but Barack worked hard because he wanted to create real change.
After graduating, he moved to Chicago to become a community organizer. His job was to listen to people's problems and improve their neighborhoods. Many people did not believe change was possible, but Barack believed in the power of people coming together. In 1996, Barack ran for the Illinois State Senate. He didn't have much money or experience, but he had a clear vision. He visited families door to door, listened to their stories, and promised to fight for them. And he won. In 2004, he made a powerful speech about unity and hope, touching millions of people. In 2008, Barack Obama made history by becoming the first black president of the United States. He entered the White House during a financial crisis and wars overseas, but he remained calm and focused. He worked hard on healthcare, education, and protecting the environment. Many people disagreed with him, but he never stopped trying to help those in need.
After leaving the White House, Barack continued his mission through the Obama Foundation, helping young leaders around the world and encouraging people to believe in themselves. Years later, Barack returned to a small community center in Chicago, the place where he once worked as a young organizer. An old woman walked up to him and said, "Do you remember me? You helped fix the heating in my building 30 years ago." Barack smiled because he did remember. She held his hand and whispered, "You became president, but you never stopped being one of us." That day, Barack realized something important. Greatness is not about power or titles. It is about small acts of kindness that no one sees. And that, he knew, was the true meaning of leadership.
If this story touched your heart and helped you practice your English, please support the channel by liking the video, leaving a comment, and subscribing. Your support helps us bring more inspiring stories to you every week. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next story.